When you're thinking about ending, of course, means the final of the class. See? And how so many ways to finish your class. You can put focus, for example, in the centering or posture. Yes? Centering, posture. You also can teach something about stretching, some stretch, some rolling exercise, or breathing exercise, yeah? Breathing exercise, good ending too. And inversions, aerial exercise, like it's fun, and everybody like this, because sometimes when you try to focus in your client and you try to fix something, normally this kind of concentration sometimes is a little serious, because you try, but you finish the class with something fun. And you release the tension of this concentration, and it's really good. Sometimes with the last 2 minutes of the class, the client leave the studio happy, because you choose the ending for this body, for this mind, for this spirit.